Alright, welcome back to Cannock Chase. It's another snow day and I think today's going to be a relatively short video and a short ride because just going up the first hill is absolutely knackering. The snow is probably half a foot deep in some places, which is by far the most snow I've ever seen in the UK. And I just couldn't resist coming out for a ride, even though it's going to be hard going. Although I'm now thinking that I should have brought my skis instead. Alright, so first trail here is relatively flat, but it's nice just for a little warm-up. Let's see if I can actually find the trail. The grip is mostly good, it's just when there's something underneath the snow that you don't see and then it can be pretty slippy. Yeah, nice little warm-up trail here, and then I'm going to hit some of the more downhill, steeper ones. And this area off-piste trails is really good, and I'll definitely make another video of it at some point because this is insane, because I don't think me riding through here is going to do them justice. So I went for a ride yesterday in the snow to the Downs Banks, which was my last video, and in that we were wondering, you know, how much snow is too much snow for mountain biking, and I think I'm going to find that out today. But it's just so much fun. Sneak past that tree. And as soon as you catch the edge of a bank like that, you completely slip out. Whew. Okay, kind of sketchy but doable. Oh, nice little bit of downhill there. I think I just need to sort of warm up and get used to the conditions, because sort of like skiing in powder, you just need to approach it in a slightly different way. But slowly getting the hang of it. Woo! Oh, that was fun. I think I can summarize riding in the snow as infinite grip when you're going in a perfectly straight line, almost zero grip when you do anything else. hard to make it around the corner without a dab of the foot, because you just can't read the terrain at all. Woo! Okay, all downhill from here. Let's see whether we can get some flow going. That's a deep paddle. It's funny because you know, you'll be doing little uphill bits and getting stuck and getting frustrated, and it's so hard to keep pedaling through this. But then as soon as you turn downhill and get a little bit of flow, it's just so soft and so fun. And so worth it. Oh, there's a bit of a wind. Alright, one last drop here. Oh. And that is the exit to the other trail. Woo! That's hard going. Alright, I think this is going to be my last run, because the thought of climbing up that hill again fills me with dread. But I think to make this one a little bit interesting, I'm going to record some third-person shots. So let's do it. Push. Ooh. And there we go. Oh, sun's still shining, so I think I'm going to call it there.